Well, we're right square in the middle of it here. It is just snowing, snowing, snowing. Super pretty. Um, you can sort of see. You can sort of see what it's like. It's those big flakes that just cling to each other and fill things up. Bird feeder's been busy. Oh, we've got a lot of bird traffic. And the cabin's warm. I've got music playing. I've got the wood stove fired up. I've been drinking tea and chatting with my brother on the phone. Super pretty. I don't know if you can see the size of those flakes, but they're just huge out there. Huge flakes, and it's definitely like getting deeper and deeper. Hope you guys are warm.